Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Bond Screener, a powerful tool designed to help investors make informed decisions when selecting bonds. A bond screener is a software application that allows users to filter and sort bonds based on specific criteria, such as yield, credit rating, and maturity date. To get started, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in bond screening. The first step is to define your investment objectives, including your risk tolerance, return expectations, and time horizon. This will help you determine the types of bonds to focus on and the criteria to use when screening. When using the Fidelity Bond Screener, you can filter bonds by various criteria, including credit rating, yield, maturity date, and issue size. For example, if you are looking for high-yield bonds with a short maturity date, you can set the criteria to show only bonds with a yield above 5% and a maturity date within the next 2 years. Another important concept to consider is credit risk, which refers to the likelihood that the issuer will default on the bond. You can use the bond screener to filter bonds by credit rating, which is a measure of the issuer's creditworthiness. For instance, you can set the criteria to show only bonds with an investment-grade credit rating, such as AAA or A. In addition to credit risk, it is also essential to consider interest rate risk, which refers to the impact of changes in interest rates on the bond's price. You can use the bond screener to filter bonds by duration, which is a measure of the bond's sensitivity to changes in interest rates. For example, if you are concerned about rising interest rates, you can set the criteria to show only bonds with a short duration, such as less than 5 years. Practical examples of using the Fidelity Bond Screener include screening for tax-free municipal bonds, high-yield corporate bonds, or international bonds. You can also use the screener to compare the yields and credit ratings of different bonds, helping you make a more informed investment decision. Best practices when using the Fidelity Bond Screener include regularly reviewing and updating your criteria to ensure it remains aligned with your investment objectives. It is also essential to diversify your bond portfolio by investing in a range of bonds with different credit ratings, yields, and maturities. In conclusion, the Fidelity Bond Screener is a powerful tool that can help investors make informed decisions when selecting bonds. By understanding the key concepts involved in bond screening, defining your investment objectives, and using the screener to filter and sort bonds, you can create a diversified bond portfolio that meets your needs and helps you achieve your investment goals.